Rick and Allison this time.
No, you guys brought us some critters talking about the Science Expo that's
Yes.
coming up this weekend. Why critters and science? How do we kind of combine those and use them all together?
Absolutely. It's important for kids and adults, everyone, to know about how awesome these living creatures are and to study science around us.
Yeah.
I just want to say rats are one of the neatest animals that I have in my classroom. Some of the other animals we have some axolotls here, and we have some hermit crabs. This is Hot Cheeto. He's our celebrity rat. A lot of people get worried about the tail. It's not that scary, but we just want to learn how these guys and interact with animals. I think it's a positive experience for everybody to learn about this.
Sure, science, physical science, life science is a big thing, and fortunately, unfortunately, rats played a big part about the health and medicine.
Absolutely.
But can they see? Can anybody hold these?
Yeah,
Allison?
absolutely.
What about on Saturday at CSI?
Yes, we will have the rats there. We'll have all these animals there for people to hold.
Okay.
This is 6'7". The kids named him 6'7". So he's a celebrity too, a little baby rat we have.
Hi, baby.
And then Hot Cheeto, you can come and see Hot Cheeto. He's Hot
Cheeto.
Yeah, the kids love him at Chapelwood Elementary and in Wayne Township. But Mr. Crosslin, you want to talk to us a little bit about the axolotls?
So at the event, we have over 50 different booths where it's all hands-on, where kids can interact with these. This creature here, besides being so cool looking, this is an axolotl, and it is from Mexico. And even the name axolotl has an Aztec origin. But from science, these have an ability to regenerate. So scientists study these. They can grow back legs, they can grow back tail. Can you imagine when they find a way to grow back your spine from a car accident? And axolotls are at the forefront of that science. So, but they're also just cool.
Hey, I just want to say I went to Zubu and I found my animal alike, and it was an axolotl.
There you
so
go.
does that mean I can regrow a tail if I need to? Or
It's your best hope.
Well, I tell you, we brought some worms if you want to feed one.
Oh,
We have some earthworms here. We can get those out for you too. They're carnivores, so they eat meat.
Well.
They eat worms, and so when you got it there.
That's going to be a good
This
trick.
is Sally.
I've never
Sally.
hand-fed a worm, but you can try it.
well, you do it. You do it. I'm scared now.
We'll see. It's probably not
bite?
the best.
Oh, he just did it!
I'll tell you what, we'll put him back in the water and
He's
let
trying to get it.
eat it in the water. So.
But he loves it. They eat worms.
They eat worms. Okay.
So that is just one of the activities, and Allison heads up the early childhood section of it. So,
Right.
I always say K through death, there's something in science for everybody.
This is something that not just kids want to see. Like, I'm sure the parents, when they come
Absolutely.
to, they're like, okay, wait a second, show me that again.
The more the merrier. We'll be doing some shows. I'll be doing some animal shows, and so they can sit and just connect with nature. I think it's a great thing for everybody.
Let's talk too about how it's free. That's such an important thing because that gets people out there to the event. Like, come. There's no excuse not to
No,
go.
it's free. The parking does cost. It's at the Indiana State Fairgrounds. Expo Hall starts at 9 to 5:30, and we just want to fill it up. But everybody is donating their time to this event, and it's your opportunity, either a child or an adult, to talk to a scientist. I mean, we need more people learning, loving, and talking about science.
No, I don't think we talked. Oh my gosh!
This is my crown, my tiara.
We talked about the hermit crabs.
Science queen here. Yeah, hermit crabs. These are really neat. The kids in class had done some research in the whole building, and they really wanted to see some other types of animals. Now they like it warm. Okay. You might find these on the beaches of the Caribbean.
Yeah. Oh,
and so
the
they
spring
like
break.
it.
Everybody had to get
and so
one.
these are really neat. They get to learn that they're not scary. You're just treating them nice and being able to give them a good habitat.
So you got a good example of invertebrate, vertebrate, animals with backbones down. But we want to stress, if you have any animal, learn the science behind it to take care of it so you can really do the best you can to provide what it needs. And Allison does great.
Yeah,
with
well,
that.
rescued Hot Cheeto. And then, rescuing pets is my thing too. And,
I love it.
and bringing these into the classroom.
He messed up your hair just a little bit.
Oh, Hot
There we
Cheeto.
go. Hot Cheeto. Hey,
He's a celebrity. Come see him on Saturday.
Yes, and we'll, of course, have all the information about Celebrate Science Indiana over on our website. Thank you guys for coming in and also bringing the critters along.
12:30, best science show. Be there at 12:30.
Got it.
And come see the animals at the early childhood area.
You heard it here. We'll have all of it over on our website. We'll be right back right after the break. Bye, Hot Cheeto.
Bye, buddy.